we'll talk about something which is being promoted as something very essential for the feminine hygiene, that is vaginal washes. I, Dr. Neeru Mehra, Senior Consultant, Sector 14, Cloud9 Hospital, I'm going to tell you about whether do we really need these vaginal washes. There are a whole lot of them in the market. They are being promoted as the ultimate tool for maintaining the female vaginal hygiene. So before coming on to these, let's discuss about our normal vaginal physiology. So as we all know, the vagina is the birth canal. It leads to the cervix and the uterus. On the outside, it is flanked by two structures, labia minora and majora, which we call as the vulva. Now definitely we need to clean the vulva. It needs to be cleaned with a mild soap and water. But vagina, it is a self-cleaning organ of our body. So I'm putting the emphasis on this because just to emphasize that we do not need any vaginal washes. See, the vagina has a lot of lactobacillus. These are the good bacteria. They are always present, and they maintain the pH of the vagina in the acidic range. So when the pH is maintained in the acidic range, so what happens is that if it prevents any infection from coming into the vagina, any infecting bacteria from coming into the vagina, so they are basically neutralized by this acidic pH. So we do not need any vaginal washes. On the contrary, these washes, they sometimes they may be even harmful for you, in the sense that many of them may contain certain things or certain ingredients which might cause an allergy to your skin, or long-term use of these, indiscriminate long-term use of these will kill these lactobacillus, will kill these protective flora of your vagina. It will alter the pH, as a result of which you will keep on getting infections. So we get a lot of patients in our OPD who suffer from these chronic vaginal infections, and the first query always is that ma'am, हम तो बहुत सफाई रखते हैं, हम तो बहुत बार साबुन से धोते हैं, हम तो स्ट्रॉन्ग से स्ट्रॉन्ग साबुन, डेटॉल, बीटाडीन, सैवलॉन से धोते हैं, हम तो वी वॉश बहुत यूज करते हैं. Then why is this happening? So this is because you are overdoing it. You are drying out the part, and you are killing with all these harsh ingredients and everything. You are killing all the good bacteria which are present. So the take home message from here is that no, we do not need this, but we just need to maintain a good hygiene. And how do you do that? You just wash your vulvar area with a very mild soap and water. Keep the area dry. There is no need to wash every time when you are going to pass urine. Wear cotton undergarments. Whenever you're wearing tight fitting clothes, try to wear them for a minimal period of time. Don't wear them for a very long time. Whenever using any public washrooms or public toilet, be very careful about the hygiene of the toilet seat. Avoid touching the tap and the flush indiscriminately. Always wash your hands properly. And the main thing, the another important thing is that you have to maintain a good sexual hygiene. That will go a long way in protecting you from repeated vaginal infections. So whenever you have a physical relation, always make it a point to wash the area. Always make it a point to go and pass urine after that. Even if there is no pressure, still go wash and pass urine. And thirdly is try to use condoms, a protective barrier as much as possible. Okay, so I hope all the queries regarding vaginal wash has been settled. See you next time.